Good day, folks. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Litra Pro. This is the same company that makes the Litra torchlight, but now in a Pro model with more power and more features. So let's open up the box and we'll take a closer look. So maybe some of you are familiar with the Litra torch, maybe you own them. I have reviewed them in the past, and I've featured them in several of my videos. I quite like them. They are a great little light for the price. They're super compact and can fit into a backpack without taking up any room at all. So they've gone ahead and released a Pro model, and there's quite a lot of new features, but let's open it up and we'll see what all comes in the box, and then we'll kind of talk about some of the new enhancements. It's actually packaged in a nice attractive box. It's got all the features listed. And yeah, so let's see what we got inside here. So we have the light. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. We have a diffuser, a little silicone diffuser. We have a nice little pouch to carry the light in. That's actually a nice touch. We have a GoPro mount, and we have a charging cable. So let's take a quick look at the light here. You can see it has the same kind of aluminum design as the Litra torch. Here's just a size comparison so you can see it. It's thinner, but it is a little bit bigger overall. It is a full spectrum light, and it has a color temperature from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin. And as you can see there, it's waterproof up to 30 meters. So these lights are perfect if you're going to be out in adverse conditions, mud, muck, rain, even underwater if you're a diver. On the bottom here, we have a standard 1/4-20 tripod mount, as well as on the side here. You can mount this in different ways, whichever suits your needs the best. So over here we have a power button. We have an adjustment button for adjusting the Kelvin level. Over here we have some adjustment buttons to adjust the brightness, and we have a little LCD screen to show us some various information. One really nice feature of the Litra Pro is that it now is Bluetooth compatible and has a companion app in the App Store. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at it, and we'll power it on and we'll do some tests with it. Now this is compatible with iPhones and iPads. I'm going to be using my iPad because I'm using my phone to film this video. So let's go ahead and let's power on the light. Long press to turn it on. When we power it on there, you can see that we're at 10% brightness right now at 3000 Kelvin. And we can change the color temperature just by pressing these buttons here. And also we can change the brightness. You can see there we're at full brightness now. And it's actually quite bright, extremely bright actually. So I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. So we've got it powered on here, and you can see the screen there. It's giving us different information. On the right-hand side there, it gives us our Kelvin temperature. And on the left-hand side there, it gives us our brightness. You can see that it's in Bluetooth mode. That's flashing. And it also gives us our battery level. Now, according to the website, at full strength, you can get 45 minutes out of it. And at a 50% strength, you can get 10 plus hours. So let's get the two paired up. We're going to search for device. And you can see there, it's picked it up already. So we'll just connect it. So we've got the light on there, as you can see, and from here we can adjust the brightness and the temperature. And they have corresponding colors there if you're not quite sure of your Kelvin level. If you want a cooler light, you can drag it that way, a warmer light up that way. We can black out the light. It's not going to power it off. It'll just, you can see there it's still powered on. It just blacks it out. And we can turn it back on. And at the top there it gives us our battery information as well. We can turn on the strobe. It's very bright. Okay folks, so as you can see, it's pretty dark down in my office where I film my YouTube videos. So I'm just going to power on the light now, and we'll see what kind of light it throws off. When I power it on, it's going to be at 50%. So let's do that now. So there we go. There it is, throwing off light at 50% power. And I have the temperature set at 3000 Kelvin. So let's turn it up to 100% power. And there we go there. Now it's running at 100% power. So this little light can throw off a lot of light and can come in handy for many different situations, whether you're filming outside with a GoPro or any kind of action camera, or if you're going to be filming inside and you just want some extra light, maybe some accenting light. This thing does throw off quite a bit of light and can definitely light up a dark room if you need that extra light. If you already own the two smaller lights, you could theoretically use this as a mobile lighting studio. You've got your key light here, and then you've got two smaller lights, one for accenting and one for highlighting. So that's pretty amazing. If you're a filmmaker, a small filmmaker, you could put this in your pocket and go out and get some interesting scenes. You can throw on the diffuser and use it for interviews, have this just for some highlights. So it's a pretty amazing little light for the size, and because of the aluminum design, these things are super durable. There's a lot of other lights in this size range, but they're not waterproof, and I wouldn't want to drop them. This thing looks to be a lot more durable, and I wouldn't be too nervous about having it out in the field if it's in some rough situations. Now, to charge up the unit, we have a little button there that we just pull, and that pops open a door. It's got a micro USB port in it, and we use the included USB cable to charge it up. It's got a little rubber seal there, so once it's sealed, like I said, it's waterproof up to 90 feet. Now, when it comes to mounting or using these lights, it can be as simple as using a tripod, a little tabletop tripod, attaching it, and then placing it wherever you need some extra light. Now, you can use these in conjunction with DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, GoPros. There's different ways you can mount it. The simplest way is to use an aluminum frame like this. You can purchase these fairly inexpensively on Amazon, and what they have is a cold shoe at the top, and that allows you to attach various accessories like lights or microphones. If you're going to be using it in this situation to mount it on a GoPro, you're going to use this accessory that came in the package. This is a cold shoe mount, and we're just going to screw it into the light there. We place the other end in the cold shoe and then tighten it up. Now we just simply put in our GoPro. So now we've got a nice light attached to our GoPro, and we can shoot in situations where we need more light. Now here is another method. This is the GoPro Triad, and it's a rig for attaching different accessories and giving you nice stability when holding it. You can attach several cameras at once. On the top here, you can see it's got 3 cold shoe mounts, so we can attach the light up there at the top like that very easily. Or we could use this mount that came with it and attach it to the other finger mount at the bottom and put the light on. So that's another option for you. An option like this allows you then to have the light and a microphone attached to your rig. Now, if you like the idea of having a rig that you can attach to accessories but don't want the bulk of this one, this is kind of a mini version. It's aluminum, and it's a nice little size. You can attach your GoPro here in the middle, but it has the cold shoes at the top as well. Same thing. We just plug the light in there like that. And now we've got a nice little rig that we can still attach a microphone or a second light if we need. Now lastly, you can use a device like this. This is also sold by Litra, and they're the ones that make the light. You can get different ones on Amazon as well. Has the GoPro buckle system in the middle and 2 finger mounts on the side, so you can attach a microphone and a light, and then you'll just have to put a handle into the 1/4 20-inch tripod thread at the bottom. So it's kind of a minimalist way to achieve the same effect. So yeah, folks, that is the Litra Pro. A nice little light, very versatile, and can come in handy in a lot of different situations. So I'll include the links down below to this light where you can go check it out on Amazon, also to the products that I featured in this video. It will have my affiliate code embedded into it, so if you do purchase it through my affiliate link, I will get a small percentage of the sale. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and if you enjoy my reviews, videos, and tutorials, it's a great way to support my channel without spending any extra money. Well, folks, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.